This Camgeet KVM Switch lets you run up to 4 computers across 3 displays, making it ideal for complex multitasking setups or mixed work and gaming rigs. Support for triple screens in both extended and mirrored modes gives you the flexibility to spread out applications or clone the same view for presentations and monitoring. The unit handles ultra-high-definition resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz, so text stays sharp and fast, motion in creative or gaming workloads looks smooth. 4 integrated USB 3.0 ports effectively turn it into a small hub, allowing you to share fast peripherals like external drives, printers, and scanners between all connected systems. Broad operating system support and the choice of front panel button or wired remote switching make it easy to integrate into almost any desk layout or control room. The inclusion of multiple cables, a power adapter, and support for common adapters and docking stations helps reduce setup hassles and keeps the wiring surprisingly manageable for a triple monitor KVM.